Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. So let's continue with our video series of SQL interview questions. So today's question is basically the medium level question that has been asked in Amazon before. So the question basically says we have to find the count of the salary categories. This is the input table and this is the output table. So the input table has the account ID and the income, and the output table we have to categorize the income based on the low salary, average salary and high salary, and we have to find what is the number of incomes that fall under the following categories. So basically the categories that is that if it is the salary is less than 20,000, then it should come in low salary category. If the salary is between 20,000 to 50,000, then it should fall under the average salary, and if it is more than 50,000, then it should fall under the high salary. So quite basic question, but yeah, a bit tricky one. So let's jump to our notepad to solve this particular questions. Yeah, so I have already written this particular create statement and the insert statements. So the logic that I'm getting is, first we have to find, let's find these low salary categories. So select, as you all know, we'll be writing the query first in the notepad, followed by which we'll copy the same query and paste it in the compiler to check whether we are getting the right query or not. So select low salary as the category, comma. Now we have to find the count. Inside this, we have to use the case when statement. So case when income is less than 20,000, then 1, and braces as accounts count from, what is the table name, where the table name is accounts. So once we write this query, we'll get the somewhat the output similar to the low salary and the total number of count of the salary that fall under the low salary. But if we need to find the average salary and the high salary, then just we have to copy this particular query, control C, and paste it 2 times down. And here we need to make the changes. Let's say this is for the average salary, and the category should be, it should be between 20,000 and 50,000. Then it should be 1, and as accounts count from accounts. Similarly, for the high salary, we have to use the income should be greater than 50,000. So yeah, this is the particular query, and but these particular queries will give 3 different tables. We need all the tables in one output. So for that, we have to use the union all. So union all basically combines all the 3 tables, and once you use the union all, we have to get rid of these semicolons. Yeah, so this will be our final query. Let's copy the query and control C and paste it in the compiler. Yeah, so this is the SQL compiler. This is online, you can get it from Google. So yeah, you have to just paste it, and let's see whether we are getting the correct output or not. Run it. So yeah, as you can see in the output panel, it is showing the same output that we have in the Excel. That is this one. We have the low salary as 1, high salary as 3, and average salary as 0. We do not have any salary that fall under 50,000 and above 20,000. So we can cross check here. Yeah, none of the salaries are between the 20,000 and 50,000, and 91,000, 87,000, and 1 lakh are above 50,000, and that's why they are falling in the high salary category. And for the low salary, we have 1, because 12,747 falls under the low salary, which is less than 20,000. So yeah, that this is how you can actually solve this particular question. Not a tough one, but yes, you have to think a little bit, a tricky one. And this question has been asked in Amazon in the previous interview for the role of a data analyst and business analyst in the initial rounds. So yeah, that's it for now. I will come up with more such videos in the future. Till then, keep loving, keep coding, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.